Good morning. Israel and India are conducting trials in New Delhi on large sample of patients for 4 different technologies that have the potential to detect Covid-19 in about 30 seconds, or you can say less than 1 minute, including breath analyzer and voice testing. Or you can, in the simple word, you can say that Israel and India joined hand and working on a technology which will help to detect the coronavirus infected patient quickly. For example, if a person comes for coronavirus test, and we all know that right now the test, if a person goes for coronavirus test, then he or she takes time, the result reports come within a certain period of time. But if this technology gets successful, then if a person comes for COVID-19 test, then within less than 1 minute that person can be detected that whether the person is suffering from novel coronavirus infection or not. So this mission code name given was Operation Breathing Space. This joint venture between Israel and India to work on 4 different technologies so that which can detect the COVID-19 within 30 seconds or less than 1 minute has been given a code name Operation Breathing Space. Now, Friday, Ambassador of Israel to India, Ron Malka, visited the special testing site which is there at Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, and the ambassador of Israel went there and seen the test being conducted, that the test has been the test going on. The Israel team landed in India on 28th of July, and from that day, whatever the ongoing process was going on at Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, so the Israel ambassador went and visited and saw the situation over there. Now this Operation Breathing Space is a cooperation between Defense Research and Development Directorate of the Israeli Ministry of Defense, Indian Defense Research and Development Organization, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and Principal Scientific Advisor, India, coordinated by Ministry of the Foreign Affairs of Israel and India. So you can understand this mission. There are a number of people involved in this mission to get a technology so that if a person is having coronavirus infection, we can detect them within less than 1 minute. And at the same time, Professor K. Vijay Raghavan, who is the principal scientific advisor to Prime Minister of India, he is also leading the mission. Now they said the team said that if the result gives some valid a positive effect during this trial, because they are doing this trial on a large scale, and the result gives some positive result, then if the trial gives the positive result, then mass manufacturing of this technology will happen in India, and the marketing will be done by both. The marketing of the product will be done to the world by both India and Israel. So you can understand, if the 4 technology if any of the technology gets successful result, and the coronavirus infection can be detected within less than 1 minute, then what will happen? It's going to be really a massive thing, and at the same time mass manufacturing will happen in India, but the marketing of the product will be done by Israel and India both jointly to the, so that they can sell or do the they can reach the product to a different part of the world. Even Israel ambassador was said that he was saying that if the test is successful, if the trial is any of the even one of the test is successful, then it will be a great breather to this current pandemic, and it is going to be a big achievement. Now if you see, entire world is fighting with this deadly coronavirus. The pandemic has made our life difficult, and a different way we are looking at our life right now. And the best way as because there is no vaccine now, and not a specific medicine for this deadly coronavirus. So, what is the best way to detect whether the person is affected by coronavirus or no? Only by doing testing, and mass testing is very important. But India, which has got a huge population base, it is very difficult for government to do mass testing like of 130 crores and above population is very difficult. It's challenging, to be very frank. But still, Indian government with the help of state, they are conducting 6 lakh tests per day. And at the same time, now I am hearing in the news that the government is planning to do 10 lakh tests for coronavirus per day. So yes, they are trying to do. So the numbers is going up because testing has also gone up. Now if this trial between Israel and India, which is going on, if this technology if any of the tests get successful, and if a person gets and if a person goes for a COVID-19 test, and within less than 1 minute, if the person is found that person is infected by the deadly novel coronavirus, then the treatment can be done soon. And so that death should not happen and the person get cured. The problem is that in some cases tests happen. For the coronavirus test happen, but the test take time to get delivered. The report takes time to get delivered. So by that time it can happen the novel coronavirus takes their real turn in their body. So if this trial gets successful, any of the tests get successful, and out of this four technology, any technology gets successful, and the result of whether the person is infected or not, we get to know within 1 minute, then what will happen? The treatment can be done, and if the treatment can be done fast, then the death rate will come down, and the recovery rate will also go up. So as of now, as we don't have any vaccine in the market, no particular medicine for this deadly coronavirus, but yes, we have a hope. We always have a hope, and this joint partnership between India and Israel to have technology so that this COVID-19 patient can be detected within less than 1 minute or 30 seconds. It will be a booster, and this will give us encouragement to fight. Go get tested, get the result within 1 minute, and if the person is having coronavirus infection, go for treatment or go home. So this is very good news, and the trial is going on. The Israeli came with lots of equipment on 28th July with a special flight, and the test is going on. The trial is going on a larger scale, on a large number of patient sample. It's going on at Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, and we pray to God that any of this test get success, and at least the COVID reports should come fast, because if a patient get to know that if he or she is infected by this deadly novel coronavirus, within 1 minute, within 1 minute or 30 seconds, he can rush to the doctor or get admitted where there is this treatment is going on, and he will get the proper treatment. Less time will be taken. For example, if a treatment, if the blood report is coming within 2 days or something like that, then treatment is happening after that, after 2 days. Now if the report is coming within 1 minute, then immediately the treatment can be started and life can be saved. Now, the growing number of coronavirus is not an important. It will grow, but saving life is very important. People are scared of death. People think if the person is suffering from coronavirus, I will die. No, death rate has to come down. Recovery needs to go up. Don't focus on this numbers is going up. Oh my God, 1 lakh, 16 lakh, 17 lakh, whatever the number. Don't focus. But we need to the death rate should come down. People should not have fear of novel coronavirus. It is just a disease and we should fight it out. So it's a good news about the joint venture between Israel and India. Till then the test is going on, the trial is going on. Till then it is not there in the market. We should follow the direction of the government. Sanitize your hand, wear masks whenever needed, go out and maintain social distancing. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you very much.